So a lot of you fathers. So this is the way the construction of court works like this. You file a motion in court, and then you go and y'all talk about the motion. When you file a motion, the judge knows what you're going to talk about because they read your stuff. All right, what you put in your motion. When you get sued and they give you, and they mail you a copy of the complaint, and they tell you you have X amount of time to file your answer. I can tell you, after doing this for 23 years, you fathers don't file answers. When she say I want 100% custody, I'm not using correct terms. I'm exaggerating. I want 100% custody. I don't want him to have nothing. He's a shit ass. He don't know how to fucking tie his shoe. He don't ever do nothing for this child. And you say, I got all these receipts. I'm going to just take him to court and show the judge. You already failed. When you come to court and say, I'm going to show you the receipts, the judge have a right to not look at them. You know why? You're doing something that you can't do. You're broadsiding the court. The courts have to know what are you going to talk about before you get there. And you do that with your answer. That's why a lot of you lose. You know how many thousands of individuals I helped in my 23-year career. And people say, I took this to court and the judge ain't even want to see it. I don't blame them. You guys got to stop trying to do this thing with a budget response plan, a budget tactic. When that woman gets an attorney, when that woman mounts up, like Tyrese wife, got 3 attorneys. When OJ was fighting his shit, the shit costs money. And y'all think that y'all gonna do some things on some generic perspective on how to fight court. You can't do that. You have to file an answer every time. You have to go ahead and whatever you want to submit to the court, put it in your answer and tell them which is what is what. You have to use proper court terminology. 732-875-9111. Venmo or PayPal only. Please just text us $50 consultation. I'm ready. To my secretary, Lydia. She's on standby. She's staff.